Kobe ng Pinas is back. MPBL debut game niya ngayong season. Kondisyon na kondisyon makabalik pagkatapos ng mahabang panahon at ginawa pang first five sa third quarter.
Had a really good Concilio.
Yeah, he has that advantage clearly.
Sa sobrang excited ni Jonah Renz, unang possession, traveling agad
That's a travel.
at napa-welcome agad na ankle breaker ang Kobe ng Pinas. Yawa ng crowd sa arena.
Buena. With a discard,
Dalawang layup sablay.
The number niya,
33
33.
is the digital wallet built for the community. Jinko, in and out.
Naku po, si Coach Boyet na stress. Pinagpahinga agad si Kobe ng Pinas sa bench.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
This is it's really testing ground for Binyan kung sino nga, no? Yung mga pupwede, ipasok sa team and more importantly, ipasok sa rotation ng Binyan.
On a Jacob, that's a travel.
So he starts the third quarter. He comes in about midway in the second quarter and they give him the first play to start the quarter.
And one thing in common with my partner here in Lona is that they both love Kobe Bryant.
I'm not so sure about that.
That's so sure.
I know he's known for that, but bakit ang number niya?
33.
33.
Pre-season lang naman yan.
Yeah. Pero, if my memory serves me right, as you see that finish by Agoncillo.
Ganda nun.
Ano number ni Kobe Bryant when he was in Marion?
33.
33, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So that might be the reason. Yeah.
Posible, lower Marion number. And then the Jalen Brunson PE. Did not know it was coming in.
Oh wow.
Parang may nakakain na siya sa kanya. Binalik pa, pinasok ako ni Coach bigla. And then, had a really good third quarter and then nagtuloy-tuloy sa fourth. Mahinay. Fouled by Mabulak.
Yeah, and I'm with Coach Boyet here. This is an offensive foul.
Absolutely.
And then this one, that is not a foul.
Yan. Mabulak. Top of the key. Agoncillo with a steal. Can't control the basketball. Mabulak, off-balance shot. That doesn't go in. And rebound. That's last touch on Joshua Roque. I'd like to thank LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Omo. Mabulak against Agoncillo.
Yeah, he has that advantage clearly.
Mahinay with a rebound. Bigay kay Roque. Karangian. Buena. With a discard. And a foul on Mabulak.
That was not a discard. That was a nudge. I thought that was a legal nudge. Yeah, which he was not the passer, but the recipient of it in the first half. And now he's a screener of the inbounds
And now he's a marked man.
to 34, 35 maybe. Kevin Durant the numbers. There has to be a certain standard of representation dun sa numbers na
The
yun.
numbers,
31 to 35.
30 pa?
Yeah?
30 pa?
30 kasama.
Oo. Mahirap
Steph
din
Curry.
yun, ha?
Yeah. Steph Curry.
Agoncillo knocks down the jumper.
Could have been fouled too. Landing spot. Walang tawag.
Apat na puntos na para kay Jake Agoncillo has been impressive. Lopez. Goes to Bonifacio. The spin from Warren. The layup doesn't work. Mahinay, nakatalikod. Si Roque. Stop it. We might fall.
Mr. Malupiton. Ikaw ba yan? Baka maniwala si Sheila. na. Mamatay ulit si Sheila, buhay na nga.
Agoncillo back the other way. Gives it up to Jokno. That's an offensive foul.
Pero sharp yan.
ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Jacob in and out. The save to Buena. The bounce pass to
Sa
Agoncillo.
paa. Oh. And he knows it.
Oh, nakukuha na rin to ng kupunan niya yung personality niya, no? Yung pagiging
The feisty.
feisty na player. Oh, that's a foul on Ballesteros. They're just hanging in there.
Si Coach Boyet. See, yan, tinuturo niya yung nangyari. And I know this. Because
14-second difference of game clock and shot clock. 5 seconds. Mabulak to Poy Poy. We will run out of time. And an open corner. Poy Poy Aktub. Seconds remaining.
tignan natin, no? Hanapin pa ni Pat Buena to.
I don't think so. That should do it. And Binyan will come away with a 74-65 victory here at home. They face Abra in a few days.
Actually, coach, yung Big Time Plays, inano ko eh. Nag-comment ako dun sa kanya.
Big Time Plays, shoutout pala sa YouTube channel ng Big Time Plays. Thank you so much.
Amazing! Bawal malate! Bawal malate! Bawal malate, mga eksena.
Pogi si subscribe nyo sa Big Time Plays, oh, di ba? Pang Mr. Pogi yan dati yan.
Bro, talagang napakataas ng mga views na ngayon ni Big Time Plays. Kaya congratulations sa'yo, bro.
Si Big Time Plays, supportahan niya yan. Magaling din mag-video, tsaka kaibigan natin yan.
Yo, shoutout nga pala sa Big Time Plays ng Malabon.
For more basketball news and updates, just click the notification bell. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, please subscribe and support my channel, guys. See you on the next video. Let's go!
You don't like that? You don't like NBA basketball?